alfarma.
Gaskiya zan faɗa.
Gaskiya zan bada.
Kuma ba wani abu face sai gaskiya.
Ba komai akai sai gaskiya.
Ya Allah ka taimake ni.
Ya Allah ka taimake mu.
Ya Allah, my Lord, the GW1 has been affirmed. She is female, adult, and a Muslim, my Lord.
Thank you.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. Mariam, once more, tell your full names to this honorable court. Yace ki faɗa wannan kotu cikakken sunanki.
Cikakken sunana Maryam kenan Sa'idu.
How old are you? Shekarunki nawa?
Shekara 50.
Where do you live? Ina kike da zama?
Ina nawa.
Naina at where? Naina a wanne gari?
Naina Damaturu.
Can cikin Damaturu?
Cikin Damaturu naina.
What tribe are you? Me ainihin kabilanki?
Ni ba karkariya ce.
Kare?
Eh.
What religion do you practice? Me addininki, Hajiya?
Islam.
So, Mariam, do you know the reason why you are before this court? Kin san dalilin da yasa aka kira ki zuwa gaban wannan kotu?
Eh, na san dalilin da aka kira ni zuwa.
So, in respect of what? Game da me aka kira ki zuwa wannan kotu?
Eh to, game da saidan Hassan Adamu.
So, yes. So, Mariam Adamu, in a very brief sense, tell this court what you know about this case in a very precise and brief way. Yace a cikin takaitaccen a takaice ki gaya ma wannan kotu me kika sani game da wannan shari'a da ake yi
na wannan shari'a na Hassan Adamu.
Ki faɗa a hankali, kika faɗa ɗaya bayan ɗaya saboda kotu tana rubutawa. In kika faɗi kaɗan sai ki tsaya sai ki ci gaba, haka za ki faɗa. Bismillah.
Game da wannan saida na Hassan Adamu.
Yes.
Ya ci gaba.
Ban san abin da yake tafiyarwa ba. Shi dai Hassan Adamu ba lafiya ne.
Yes.
Hassan Adamu yana kwance ba lafiya, ya dawo da wurin masana'antarsa da magariba ba lafiya.
Which kind of business is he doing? Wani irin sana'a yake yi?
Aski yake yi.
Yes.
Ci gaba.
Da ya dawo ba lafiya ya na dama mar kunu kuma cikin ɗakin nashi shi cikin ciki yake nashi ɗakin da zafi. Sai ya dawo ɗakin yayan shi ɗin sai ya kwanta.
Which of his brother? Wani daga cikin yayinsa?
Yayansa Usaini.
Yes.
Ya dawo yana kwanciya ya sha magani ya kwanta zazzaɓi ya rufa shi na shiga mun kwanta amsan.
Yes.
Ya kwanta yana kwance ba mu san me ne yake tafiyarwa ba sai muka ji durin ma'aikata a cikin gida. To ba mu san yana bacci.
Yes.
Dare ne yana bacci, to ba mu san me yake tafiya ba sai suka zo suna neman shi Usaini. Sai suka tambaye ni na ce musu baya nan.
Yes.
Na ce musu baya nan, da na ce musu baya nan sai suka shiga ɗaki shi akan Hassan kenan suka fito da shi.
Yes.
Da suka fito da Hassan daga ɗaki ne suka caje jikin shi daga aljifin shi na riga har na wando ba abinda suka samu. Ina tsaye a gare su ban san me suka ce ba sai suka shiga ɗaki.
Yes.
Da suka shiga ɗaki suka binciko ɗaki suka ce mun nuna musu gun da Usaini yake.
I'm sorry, Hajja, kika ce sun tambaye ki akan ki nuna musu inda me?
Inda Usaini yake.
Okay, thank you. Na gode.
Yes.
Ni kuma ya ce musu ban san inda yake ba, ya jima baya gida. Suka ci gaba da shi. Suka ce min ya zan ce baya nan, ce musu baya nan ban san inda yake ba tunda ba yaro bane. Ban san inda yake ba shi wannan ma baya.
Just a minute, hold it.
Gradually.
Yes.
Sai suka ce in ban nuna musu gun da yake ba za su tafi da Hassan. Sai na ce musu ban san inda yake ba su yi haƙuri su bar shi suka ki.
Yes.
Suka ce in ban nuna musu gun da yake ba za su tafi da shi. Na ce ni fa ban san inda yake ba yana kuka ina kuka suka fita da shi.
Yes.
To daga wannan ban san ya aka yi da abubuwan da yake tafiya ba, ban san kuma wani abu.
Yes.
Daga nan sai aka kawo shi kotu kenan.
As if my screen is frozen. Hello, can you hear me, counsel? Defense counsel? Defense counsel, are you still there?
Yes, sorry, my lord. There was a call interrupting the court proceeding.
Yes.
Yes, from there, he was charged report. Daga nan sai aka kai shi kotu?
Daga can gurin na sai suka kawo shi kotu. To kotu sai ta ɗauki ta ba da belin shi.
So what do you want the court to do for you? Yanzu me kike so kotu ya miki, Hajiya?
Ina son kotu ne alfarma ta taimakawa Hassan Adamu zan yi wannan shari'a saboda Hassan Adamu shine gata ta a Damaturu ba da bai nema min abinci kuma ina da marayu ya koma bakin sana'arsa ya nema mana abin da za mu ci.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, that's all for the witness.
Yes.
My lord, I have some questions for cross-examination. Subject to the convenience of my lord, may I proceed?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you very much. Hajiya Maryam Yahya Saidu.
Maryam Saidu.
Hajiya Maryam Saidu. Good morning. I greet you once again. I believe you are the biological mother of the defendant in this case.
Yana fatan ke ne mahaifiyar wannan wanda ake yin shari'a.
Ni ce mahaifiyar shi.
And as a biological mother, I believe nothing, you'll agree with me that you won't allow nothing to happen to your son. Nothing bad, you will not allow anything bad to happen to your son. Am I right?
Yace a matsayinki na mahaifiyarsa wanda ta haife shi, ya tabbatar cewa ba za ki so wani mummunan abu ya faru da danki ba.
Haka ne.
And you are ready to go any extent in this life to protect your son.
Yace cewa wai kuma a shirye kike ki duk wani abu da zaki iya yi domin ki kare danki a wannan shari'a. Ki faɗi ki magana.
A'a.
What do you mean by a'a?
Ba zan iya ba, babu hali.
I still don't understand. You need to. What is the meaning of babu hali?
Yana tambayan ki kin fahimci tambayan da ya miki din ba?
Na fahimta babu ne ai mun uzuri babu.
Abin nufi yace a matsayinki na mahaifiyarsa wanda ta haife shi, zaki iya yi duk wani kokari ki ga cewa kin kare danki a wannan shari'a.
A'a ba zai yiwu ba. Ba haka bane.
Ba zai yiwu ba?
Okay. If I understood you with the word yes, no, you said that means yes, no. That means you as a person, as a mother who have the custody of the defendant up to his age today that he's facing trial, you will protect your son. Am I correct?
Yace a matsayinki na wanda kika reni wannan yaro ya girma har zuwa matsayin da ya kai yau har yake fuskantar shari'ar nan, zaki yi abin da zaki iya ki ga kin kare kanki. Haka ne?
A'a.
do you know that when your son, that is the defendant in this case, when he was arrested, an exhibit was found in the room he was found sleeping? He informed this honorable court.
Yace shi wannan ɗanaki wanda yanzu haka yake fuskantar shari'a a wannan kotu, in sani cewa a ɗakin da aka je aka same shi an kama shi tare da wato kayan wanda doka wanda ake zargi a wajensa.
Your son informed this honorable court.
Ni ban san komai akan wannan ba.
Tell her that it is your son that informed this honorable court.
Dan naki ne ya gaya wa kotun nan akan cewa ɗakin da yake aka kama wannan kayan zargi a wajensa.
A'a, wallahi ban sani ba, in sun ɗauka ma ban sani ba, tun da ba su nuna mana ba suka tafi da shi. Ban san komai akan wannan abun ba.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ina ma godiya.
You will agree with me that as a mother, tell her.
Yace zaki yarda da shi cewa a matsayinki na mahaifiya,
you are also a daughter of another mother.
Ke ma kuma wata mahaifiyar ce ta haife ki.
Zahiri.
If as a daughter you are doing something bad, you will not agree or you will go to any extent to hide the bad habits you are doing to your mother.
A matsayinki na ya, duk abin da kike yi marar kyau za ki yi ƙoƙari ki ɓoye wa mahaifiyarki, kada ta san wannan mummunan ɗabi'a da kike yi. Za ki yarda da shi?
Thank you very much.
Yace yana godiya.
You will agree with me that any reasonable son, tell her.
Yace za ki yarda da shi cewa duk wani ɗa na gari,
if he is smoking cigarettes,
idan yana shan taba,
or marijuana, which is cannabis sativa,
ko kuma wiwi,
if he cited his parents,
idan ya ga iyayensa
coming towards him,
suna zuwa ta inda yake,
he will try to throw it away and protect his reputation in their eyes.
Zai jefar da wannan abin da yake sha saboda ya kare mutuncinsa a wurinsu.
Ina zan sani tun da ba ma tare da su, ba ma tafiya wani ɗaya da su.
That is what. Thank you very much. That means since you are not with them always or working with them always, that means you will not know the kind of habits they are indulging themselves into. Am I right?
Yace so tunda ya kasance ba kullun kike tare da shi ba ko kuke tare da shi ba, shi yaron ki ba lalle ne ki san dukkan irin halayya da ɗabi'u da yake da shi ba.
Haka ne.
Good.
Halayya ba.
And you informed this honorable court this morning that it is your son that becomes the breadwinner of the family. He is the one who feeds you. who gives you food and shelter.
Yace kuma kin gaya wa kotun nan da wannan safiyan cewa shi wannan ɗanaki shi yake ɗaukan ɗawainiyarki abin da ya shafi ciyarwa da sauran ɗawainiya na rayuwa gaba ɗaya.
Shi yake.
Am I right?
Yace haka ne?
Haka ne sosai kuwa.
That means assuming. Tana assuming.
Yace misali kamar yanzu a ce a kaddara.
If your son is driving his source from illicit profits. Tell
Yace a kaddara yanzu ɗanki sana'an da yake yi yana samun riba ne ta haramtacciyar hanya.
Shi ba.
And he brings money to you to feed you.
Kuma sai ya kawo kuɗi ko kuma abinci don ya ciyar da ke.
He will not tell you that his source of income is from illicit profit as a reasonable son.
Yace idan ya kawo miki ko kuɗi ko abinci ba zai gaya miki cewa inda ya samo wannan kuɗin ta kazance ta hanya ne mara kyau, ba zai gaya miki ba.
Salon yake yi ba. Ka san kuma salon ko dole ana samun abin da za a biya ka.
My answer requires yes or no. You will agree with me that your son will not tell you his source of income is an illicit profit.
Yace ɗanki ɗin ba zai gaya miki cewa shi kuɗin da yake samu ta haramtacciyar hanya ne ko ta hanya mara kyau.
I think, my lord, she has said it, my lord, that the source of income that the boy used to feed their family is through the barbing salon business. She has informed him, my lord. She has informed him.
My lord, my learned senior is elder enough in this profession, my lord, to teach me on how to interject a counsel if he is on his feet, my lord, by way of objection. My learned friend did not object, did not refer this honorable to any authority. My lord, he just interject me, my lord. My lord, I demand the protection of the court. Besides, my lord, I still demand the protection of the court to separate the witness from her counsel, my lord. This is my prayers. Because, my lord, I am not comfortable the way the witness and her counsel sitting together in the same place, my lord, and I cannot even see my lord, their even shoulder is even together, my lord. My lord, just have a good look, my lord. The court will take judicial notice of that. I'm not comfortable, my lord, with
that. Defense counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. From where I'm sitting.
Yes, my lord.
I've not noticed any, because I can see all of you on the screen.
Yes, my lord.
I've not noticed any discussions between the defense counsel and his client and the witness.
Exactly, my lord.
As I'm typing proceedings, I'm watching all of you, and I've not seen anything.
Yes, my lord, we are ministers in the temple of justice. There is no way we can even do what he feels we are doing. The rest of your court
prosecuting counsel.
My lord,
can you see them on your screen?
I can see them on my
screen. I can see them very well.
Yes, my lord.
And I can see the witness is sitting by herself. I have not seen her turning to look at her counsel for any guidance.
And the court listens.
Yes, your objection is overruled. Yes, continue, prosecuting counsel.
Thank you very much. Madam, Mama Mariam. I'm still asking you the same question. I said you will agree with me that a reasonable son whom income is from illicit profits will not inform you his source of income. You will agree with me with that.
Yace za ki yarda da shi cewa dukkan ɗa na gari ba zai faɗa wa iyayensa cewa ainihin hanyar da yake samun kuɗi haramtacciyar hanya ba ne.
Haka ne.
Good. Do you know that nowadays people lounge their income from petty businesses? I don't know, but did you understand the question?
No, sir. Repeat the question, please.
Nowadays, people lounge their money from the word laundry. Lounge their money, their source of income with other businesses, more especially petty businesses.
Yace a yanayin rayuwa na yau, mafi yawan jama'a sukan samo kuɗaɗe ne ta hanyar wasu ƙanana musamman ƙananan sana'o'i hakan.
You didn't get my question. What I'm saying is that nowadays, people who got their money from illicit businesses, they protect their source of income by way of investing in some good businesses so that people will not know their source of income is the illicit business.
Okay, abun da yake faɗa shine yace yanayin rayuwa na yau mutane suna samun kuɗi ta wasu haramtattun hanya, amma sai su je su fake da wasu ƙananan sana'o'i wanda wannan ƙananan sana'o'i da suke yi ba zai bari cewa mutane su gane cewa ta ƙazamin hanya ko ta haramtacciyar hanya suke samun kuɗaɗe ba. Shine tambayar da ya miki.
A'a, ba haka bane.
Mama, do you know that what you are saying before this honorable court is totally in contradiction with what your son informed this honorable court? Tell her.
Yace mama ki sani cewa duk abin da kike faɗa a yanzu nan a matsayin ki na shaida ya saba wa abin da ɗanki ya faɗa wa wannan kotu mai girma.
To ban san abin da shi ya faɗa ba, amma ni akan yadda ido abin da ido na gani faɗa.
And more so, you are a mother enough to me to inform you that you are not saying the truth to this honorable court.
Yace kuma har yanzu ma ke ma a matsayin uwa kike a gare shi wannan ne nake tambaya.
Ina jin sa.
Sannan kuma yace a matsayin ki na uwa ba kya gaya wa kotun nan gaskiyan abin da yake faruwa.
Gaskiya ɗin kenan na gaya mutum da ban san abin da aka tafi da shi kuma ban san abin da yake ba, sannan a sade wannan na sani kwaya ɗaya wannan na sani ban san wasu abubuwa daban ba.
Thank you very much. That's all for cross-examination. Thank you very much, my lord, for your time.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, with this, we are closing our defense. My lord, in view of that, we will be asking for a date to enable us to file our final written address.
Yes. Prosecuting counsel.
Hello, my lord.
Prosecuting counsel, are you still there?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, agree on a date to exchange
lord.
processes, etc. Give me a date.
Yes, my lord. I think if 2 weeks will be enough to my learned senior to file his final written articles, 2 weeks will be enough for us to file our response, plus additional 1 week for in case of reply on point of law.
My lord, 2 weeks from now is not convenient because my day is very tight. Honestly speaking, it's not convenient.
You suggest, sir?
I should suggest?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You're suggesting?
Yes, my lord. I think the court will go on vacation on August, 24th July.
Give us a date. Give us a date. Registry of court.
10th October, my lord. October 10th.
10th.
After vacation. Yes, my lord.
After vacation. Council, yes. October 10th?
Yes, it's convenient,
my lord.
It's convenient.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. May I that the witness be discharged from the witness box, my lord?
Application granted. This matter is called the defendant is present in court. This matter has been adjourned to the 10th day of October 2023 for adoption of final written addresses. The defendant who is on bail is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases. Thank you. Thank you very much, my lord. With kind permission, I'll take my leave to the other court.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord.
We are here in the correctional center for Chisco and we are ready. In case of Ebenezer Oji.
Okay. Charge number FSC/DM/6/21/2021 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Ebenezer Oji.
My lord, here at the correction center together with the defendant, Ebenezer Oji. He speaks English language, my lord.
Okay. Just give me a minute. I need to open his file. Just give me a minute.
Let's go.
Yes, representation.
With profound respect and humility, my lord, M.I. Bamai, CSC, appearing with F.A. Mohammed, ACSC. Our humble appearance is for the complainant, my lord.
Yeah. Yes.
With due respect and duty to my lord, M.H. Auta, I humbly announce my appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
My lord, the case was adjourned to today for trial within trial.
Yes.
And we are ready to proceed with one witness.
We are equally ready, my lord.
Yes, go ahead.
However, my lord, we have an application to make subject to the convenience of the court.
Yes, what application?
My lord, the application is brought pursuant to section 256 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, and we are seeking to add Inspector Ibrahim Abdul to the list of witnesses.
Yes.
My Lord, we are seeking to add him because his testimony is vital to this trial within trial, my Lord. We humbly hope our application will be granted. That's our prayer, my Lord.
Defense counsel?
My Lord, we are not opposing the application.
This honorable court having listened to the application of the prosecuting counsel and there being no opposition to the said application, hereby grants the application.
As the court, please. We are grateful, my Lord.
You're welcome. Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. Yes, my Lord. His one in trial within trial, my Lord, is Inspector Ibrahim Abdul.
Yes, my Lord. PW1 is in court and it is ready to be affirmed. Whatever I say, you can say it after me. If I say I, then you mention what.
The police officer.
Yes, my Lord.
Yeah.
The witness can affirm himself, my Lord.
Yes, go ahead.
Affirm yourself.
I solemnly affirm myself before the Son, honorable court, the evidence I shall give in this case shall be the truth, nothing but the truth, one truth, God in us.
Yes, my Lord. PW1 has affirmed himself. He is male, adult.
Public servant.
And he is a Muslim, my Lord.
Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. Yes, once again, tell this court your name.
Hi, AD number 162954 ASP trial approved.
Yes.
Your age.
48 years.
Yes.
Your address.
Public servant, CCI Damaturu.
Your address.
9 Ward Damaturu.
Your religion.
My religion is Islam.
Yes.
Your occupation.
Public servant attached to CCI Damaturu.
Yes.
For how long have you been in the service of the Nigerian Police Force?
26 years.
What are your schedule of duties?
General duty.
I didn't hear that. Schedule of duties?
Your schedule of duties.
General duty.
General duties?
Yes, my lord. Behind.
Yes.
Now take a look at the screen at the correctional center and tell this court if you know the defendant standing trial.
In respect of this case.
In respect of this case, yes. Can you see him clearly?
Yes, so clearly.
So can you identify him?
Yes.
Mustafa,
Yes, my lord.
can you get him a chair near the council so that I can see, I can hear him properly?
As
I'll stop this, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, he has identified the defendant in this case.
Yes.
We are here in this court today for trial within trial. So I want you to tell this court the role you played in the taking of his statement of the defendant.
On 2nd August.
Take it bit by bit. My lord is recording.
On 2nd August.
Yes.
2021.
Yes.
At about 20:45 hours.
Continue.
Yes, of a case of be in position.
Please, can you talk in a sentence? I don't like it one word after the other. Yes.
The case of be in position.
Yes.
Dealing
Complete the sentence.
Dealing in live ammunition.
Can you continue? Yes.
A case of be in position.
Yes.
Dealing in live ammunition.
Yes.
Prohibited weapon. Of 226 7.62 mm of live ammunition.
Let him continue. I don't like this.
Was transferred from was transferred by commander of Sector 2 Operation Haɗin Kai, Damaturu.
Yes.
The case was handed over to D4 homicide section.
Yes.
Headed by DSP Ma'aji Abdul and team. I am part of the team to investigate.
Headed by DSP?
Ma'aji Abdul and team. I am in the part of the team to investigate.
This is trial within trial. Anyway.
Yes, my lord, I'm allowing him to lay foundation, and from here we are going to focus on the statements taken.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, my lord. So you are part of the team of investigators?
Yes, my
Yes.
lord.
Okay. Can you tell this honorable court the other members of the team?
DSP Maji Abdul is the sectional head. ASP
ASP?
Yes, DSP Maji Abdul is the
Yes.
ASP Innocent Okori, ASP Ibrahim Abdul, and Woman Inspector Zainab Wakili are the team to investigate.
You said there's DSP Maji Abdul, ASP.
DSP.
Yes.
Innocent Okori. And me also, ASP Ibrahim Abdul. Myself, ASP Ibrahim Abdul, Woman Inspector Zainab Wakil to investigate.
Yes.
Okay, now we are here today in court because we sought to tender the statement of the defendant, which his counsel objected, that it was not obtained voluntarily, that he did not write the statement voluntarily. So you are here today to tell us the circumstances under which the defendant wrote his statement. Are you clear on that?
I'm clear.
Counsel at the Correctional Center, can you still hear us?
My lord, I am on.
Okay.
I hear you clearly, my lord.
Okay, go ahead then, the witness, go ahead. Inspector.
My in charge DSP Maji Abdul is the person who are about to write the statement of the accused person, but he volunteered that he is going to write his statement by himself.
Yes. Yes. Is the witness still with us?
Yes, my lord.
So what is happening? Yes.
Continue.
She said he's going to write his statement by himself. They came to my superior officer office. My superior officer issued him statement paper to write his statement, and he read is the questionnaire one. He read over to him, and he accept and sign. From there, he continue his statement.
Yes.
He writes his statement willingly under word of question, and he writes the role which he played into the matter.
Yes.
And he made a confessional statement.
Yes.
My superior officer read over to him, and he accept and sign. My superior officer signed too. I am the person who filled the attestation form and took it before my superior officer. I am assigned by that time. He read over to him and he accept. He signed, my superior officer signed too.
Yes.
The exhibit was taken to
Can you tell this honorable court the general condition of the defendant while he was giving his statement? How was his disposition?
He is feeling fine, nothing, no molesting. He had sit comfortably and willingly he volunteered to write his statement without a question.
Yes.
At what time specifically did he volunteer to write his statement?
At 14:29 to 55 hours.
The proceeding counsel, this is examination in chief. She is not to lead her witness. She is only to lead him to tell the court what transpired, but not to put in question as if it is for examination. These are leading questions. She should allow the witness to give his what he knows in this matter.
The prosecuting counsel allow the witness to flow.
As the court pleases, my lord. You can continue, ASP. Yes.
I filled the attestation form.
Yes.
And took before my superior officer and read over to him. He accept and signed. My superior officer signed too.
Yes.
ASP, is there anything else you want to add in relation to the writing of this statement? Is there anything else you want to add You want to tell the court?
No.
My lord, that is all for this witness.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. ASP Ibrahim, for examination, my lord. We have a few questions for the witness.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, ASP Ibrahim. What you have that the statement was recorded in front of DSP Maji. Are you getting me?
I didn't hear you.
It was DSP Maji, according to you, that the accused person, the defendant, wrote his statement before him.
The accused party read his statement before DSP Mahaji Abdul.
Yes.
I'm aside.
And you?
I'm aside too.
To do what?
I didn't number.
To.
I'm I am aside of them.
You are aside of them.
Yes.
Do you mean to say you're beside the Mahaji Abdul?
Yes, I am together with Mahaji Abdul and the suspect.
Who cautioned the defendant, the suspect?
DSP Mahaji Abdul.
After cautioning the defendant as a suspect, then did Mahaji Abdul sign the statement of accused form under the words, under the cautionary words, or on top of the cautionary words?
My lord, we cannot hear him properly. Maybe he is not close to the microphone. We can't hear him.
Let me come
Okay,
first.
just a minute. Leonard Defense Counsel. Yes,
Yes,
they can barely hear you.
I'm now close to the screen. Very close, my lord.
Okay, yes.
I hope they hear me. Yes,
we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you now. Yes.
I'm hearing.
The accused, the Nigeria police statement of accused form. There is the name of the accused, the name, nationality, age, occupation, address, phone number, and there is a space for signing. So you said Mahaji Abdul was the one that gave that form, statement of accused form to the defendant after cautioning him to write his statement. Is that what happened?
After DSP Mahaji issued statement form, he read over to him the cautionary word, and he is about to write the statement of the suspect. The suspect, he said he will write his statement.
What
so
you are
after
saying?
Mahaji read over him cautionary word and explained to him, he gives him the statement form and writes his name, address, and so ever. From that, he started writing his statement.
Well, Mahaji Abdul did not sign the cautionary words.
He signed the cautionary word before starting writing his statement.
My lord, may I apply for the statement of the accused person to be shown to the witness?
Objection, my lord.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Objection.
Yes, prosecuting counsel.
My lord.
My lord, the statement in question has not yet been admitted in evidence.
Yes.
My lord, it is the statement which is the subject matter of this trial, within trial, and we are examining the witness on it. That is why I want the witness to be given the statement.
Just counsel, if you want to be recorded,
My lord,
counsel,
it's not clear. We cannot hear you, my
defense
lord.
counsel.
My lord.
My lord, we cannot hear you
The defense
properly.
counsel.
Yes, my lord.
The defense counsel, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you, my lord, clearly. Yes, my lord, I'm hearing you, my lord.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
my lord, I can hear you.
Okay. The defense counsel, you are making a submission, but you are making it too fast
yes,
for me to
sorry.
record you.
Sorry,
Can you repeat yourself? Yes.
Yes, my lord, it is the statement that the witness is alleging that there was cautionary words, and the accused person, the defendant, wrote the statement himself. I am applying that. That statement be given.
Counsel,
yes,
I am trying to record you, but you're talking to yourself.
I'm sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord. Sorry, I'm very sorry, my lord. My lord,
yes,
it is the statement, my lord, that is the subject matter of the trial within trial.
Yes.
And the witness has talked about this in his testimony.
Yes.
I'm applying that same statement be given to the witness. I'm applying that same statement be given to the witness.
The network is very poor.
Yes, it's true, my lord. What I'm sorry.
The defense counsel, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you clearly, my lord.
Defense
very clear,
counsel.
I'm hearing you, my lord.
Can
Very
you hear
clear.
me?
Very clear, my lord. I'm hearing you.
Okay, because I lost you for some minutes. Because they said the statement of the defendant is the subject matter of trial within trial.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
And I want it to be given to I am applying that the statement be given to the witness for the purpose of examination. For him to get the statement for the purpose of examination.
Unfortunately, it's the network is fluctuating. Yes, but you said your application.
Yes, my lord, but
the statement to be given to the
witness for the purpose of examination.
Yes,
that is my application. It should be given to him for me to enable me to examine him on it, based on the content of the statement. That is my application, my lord. So there is nothing wrong, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Ruling. In the process of trial within trial, during cross-examination, the defense counsel applied for the statement of the defendant, which he contended is the subject matter of the trial within trial, to which the prosecuting counsel objected. This court, having listened to both counsel, hereby overrules the prosecuting counsel. Let the witness be given the statement to enable proceedings to continue.
As the court pleases.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you, thank you, my lord.
Registrar of court.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
my lord.
Has the witness been given the statement?
Yes, he was given the statement by the prosecution.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, and then go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. ASP Ibrahim.
I'm hearing.
Yes. Looking at the statement of the accused, the statement, where on the page of it, that page 1, where did Ma'aji signed the cautionary words administered to the defendant?
The statement is signed by the accused. Ma'aji signed for attestation form. That's why I say.
Okay. So the statement, the cautionary
Just a
words,
minute, counsel.
sorry, my lord.
Yes, I didn't. What did the witness say? I need to record him.
As a please, sorry, my lord.
What did your response?
My lord, the statement form is signed by the accused. The attestation form, which I fill, the column signed by my superior officer, Ma'aji Abdul Abdul.
Yes.
That is.
Yes. Looking at the attestation form, I put it to you that you yourself did not take the defendant to any superior police officer to confirm the voluntariness of the statement recorded.
Come again.
Looking at the attestation form, my lord, sorry, may I apply that the attestation form be given to the witness, sorry, for the purpose of examination?
Question granted.
Thank you, madam.
Registrar of court, let him have the attestation form.
As the court pleases. Yes, my lord. He was given the attestation form, my lord.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
S. Ibrahim.
I'm hearing.
Yes. You did not take the defendant to any superior police officer to confirm his statement, as you stated in your statement, in your testimony.
I took the person who read the attestation form and took it before my superior officer to confirm he is the person who read the attestation form to the accused person, and he accept and signed.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So the attestation form was signed by who?
by the accused first of all and my superior officer, DSP Maji Abdul Abdul.
Yes.
And it was the same Maji Abdul that cautioned the accused person.
Yes.
Yes.
I put it to you that the defendant was not taken before any superior police officer after he gave his after he wrote the alleged statement.
She was taken to before my superior officer, before handed over. He was in before the position our DCP state CID. He handed over the case to D4 homicide through my superior officer DSP Maji Abdul Abdul and team. He was interviewed before DCP.
Yes.
At the time the defendant was cautioned and he wrote his statement, was he represented by a counsel?
No.
And he requested for a counsel. Sorry, my lord.
No problem. Yes.
If the counsel was available, he will be there. We cannot keep him after 24 hours without writing the statement.
Stop, please. So there was no counsel for him.
So there was no counsel. There was no counsel.
He was brought to the sorry.
Yes.
It was the military that brought him to the CID that very day, and that very day he wrote his statement.
Come again?
It was the military men that brought the defendant to the that handed over the defendant to the CID that very day, and it was that very moment that his statement was recorded.
Yeah, they brought the transfer. They brought this thing before my superior officer on 30 July. Later on 2nd August 2021, the suspect was brought to our office. After interview was handed over to our section immediately from that the statement started.
So he wrote the statement when? Sorry, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
On 2nd August 2021.
On what?
2nd August 2021.
Yes.
The statement was recorded on the 2nd August 2021. Is that so?
Yes, my lord.
And the cautionary, sorry.
Yes.
And the attestation point was also signed on 2nd August 2020 on 2nd August 2021.
Yes, after writing his statement.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Will you be surprised for you to learn later that the accused person, that the defendant wrote his statement before Ma'aji in your absence?
I am aside. I'm the person who, after everything has been, I'm the person who writes his attestation form and forward it to before my superior officer.
Yes. Yes.
Will you be surprised for you to that's all for the witness, my lord.
Okay.
That's all for the witness. Thank you.
Yes.
No re-examination, my lord. And we humbly apply that the witness be discharged from the witness box.
Application granted. Thank you, officer.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we intend to call BW2 at the next adjourned date to continue the trial within trial. So we'll maybe be guided by the court's register diary for a date, my lord.
October 10th, my lord. 10th October.
It is convenient, my lord.
Defense counsel.
In a situation where what date suggested? The date?
10th October.
10th October.
The court will be going on vacation. Yes, okay. I can hear you. Yes, go on.
Oh, no, as Mano is going on vacation, there was nothing we can say. I thought that since the court has initiated this process, which is for the due dispensation of justice.
What dates do you want, counsel?
My lord, yes. But no problem.
In July, we'll be going on vacation in July, so.
Okay, 10th is convenient. So it's convenient.
No, if you have another registry of courts.
Yes, my lord.
So far, we have had more than 10 cases in all the days per day.
Yes, go please.
So do you have any date with less than 10 cases?
Yes, my lord, on the 12th. Next
12.
week.
12.
Yes, my lord.
Okay,
12
council, 12th of July.
12th July.
It is not convenient, my lord.
Defense counsel?
Yeah, she said it's not convenient to her. No problem.
It's not, my lord.
So do we adjourn to 10th October?
As the court pleases, my lord, it is very much convenient.
It's convenient, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Okay. Ruling this honorable court, having listened to the application for an adjournment, hereby adjourns this matter to the 10th day of October, 2023, that's after the court's vacation. Meanwhile, the defendant is to be remanded in the Potiskum Correctional Center to the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases. Thank you, my lord. With your kind permission, we take our leave.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. We are grateful.
Okay. Please call the next case.
Okay, my lord. Charge number FSC/DM/CR/8 2023 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Abubakar Adamu.
Is he on bail or at the correctional center?
Yes. My lord, they granted him administrative bail and they could not bring him back.
So he's neither at the correctional center. He was granted bail by a magistrate?
Yes, my lord.
Or the, is it an NDLA case?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. A representation. Representation.
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Usman Bamala. My humble appearance is for the complainant.
Okay.
My lord, in the last adjourned date, this honorable court issued a bench warrant against the defendant, my lord, and effort has been made to have the defendant arrested. Although it was
counsel, just give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Counsel, can you hear me? Prosecuting counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Is there any
my lord,
no
my lord.
representation? Yes. No representation for the defendant?
None, my lord.
Okay. Counsel, give me 1 minute. I need to, let me confirm something from my files.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, counsel, you are saying?
My lord.
Yes. You are saying,
my lord,
your submission.
In the last adjourned date, my lord,
Yes, at the
this
last
honorable court, yes, my lord.
Yeah.
This honorable court issued a bench warrant against the defendant.
Yes.
Effort has been made, my lord.
Yes.
Though they were not successful. But I have the assurance of my men and officers that they have gathered a reasonable intelligence and they have assured me to have him before this honorable court in the next adjourned date. They have assured me this one, my lord. So in the circumstances, I shall be asking for a date, my lord. Thank you. No.
Register of court, give us a date.
10th October, my lord. October 10th, my lord. 10th October, after vacation.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Ruling.
This
matter is called the defendant is not present before the court, haven't listened to the submission of learned prosecuting counsel. This matter is hereby adjourned to the 10th day of October, 2023.
Court, please.
Yes. Call the next case.
Charge number FKC/DM/CR/18 2023 between the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Mohammed Musa Bello.
Representation. Where's representation?
Respectfully, my lord, my name is Tom Bamala. My humble appearance for the complainant.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord, M.A. Madak is my name. My humble appearance is for the defendant.
Where's the defendant?
The defendant is here with me, my lord, in court.
Yes.
My lord, the matter is fixed today for commencement of hearing of this case. And my lord, we are ready with a single witness before this honorable court.
Yes.
My lord, with the leave of this honorable court, invite Mr. Menasara Elum, Mr. Menasara.
Defendant counsel, I've not heard from him. I just sitting there. Okay, go ahead, prosecuting counsel, if he's not willing to say anything. Yes, go.
My lord, sorry, my lord, I didn't hear what he said before. Sorry, my lord. The network has
I said we are ready with a single witness.
Can you
okay,
hear
my
him
lord, we are equally ready, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, may I, with the leave of this honorable court, present Mr. Menasara El Omodishi. My lord, Mr. Menasara El Omodishi, my lord, is there at the screen with a caption 2IC legal NJLA. My lord, he is with us, my lord. I apply that Mr. Menasara should be affirmed.
Registry of court, go ahead.
I'm not seeing the witness, my lord.
Counsel. Defense counsel.
My lord.
The witness is supposed to be in front of the camera. We need to see
Yes,
him
my lord.
behind you. The witness needs to come forward so that can be seen. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Menasara, I will affirm you.
Yes.
Mr. Menasara, are you with us?
Can you hear him, Mr. Menasara?
My lord, I cannot hear him.
Oh, you can't hear him?
Yes, my lord.
Madam Mustafa, can you speak up? They can barely hear you.
Okay, I say, Mr. Menasara, let me affirm the witness. Mr. Menasara, are you with
Okay.
us?
Can you speak to him in which language does he? Where is he?
As the court pleases. Prosecution, we are not citing your witness.
Mr. Bamala, you are muted.
My lord,
Yes.
my witness is at the captain. Is at the camera with captain.
He's not responding. We can't.
He's not responding. The witness.
Maybe he's muted. I do not know because nobody can hear what.
Hello.
Yes, I'm with you.
You are with us? Okay, I will affirm you.
Yes.
Whatever I say, you can say it after me, please. Rise up your right hand. Are you with me?
It's Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear him?
Yes, my lord.
Prosecuting counsel, you're using two different gadgets and it's interrupting. You need to mute one and so that you need to mute one of the gadgets. Okay, Mustafa,
Can you hear
go
me?
ahead.
As the court pleases. Yes, your religion, please. Mr. Menasara, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Whatever I say, you can say it after me. But first, what is your religion, please?
Okay.
Your religion.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
I say, what is your religion, please? Can you hear me?
Okay, I'm Christian.
Okay. Whatever I said, you can say it after me, please. If I say I, then you can mention your name so that we can proceed. I, mention your name.
Okay.
Mention your name. If I say I, then you mention your name. You say I too.
I, Menasara L. Emodishi.
Do you solemnly affirm?
Come again.
Do you solemnly affirm?
Do solemnly affirm.
To state that.
To state that.
The evidence I shall give.
The evidence that I shall present before this honorable court.
The evidence I shall give in this case.
The evidence I shall tender to this case.
Shall be true.
Shall be truth.
The whole truth.
But nothing but the truth.
The whole truth. The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Prosecuting counsel.
My lord.
What is happening at your own end? You are using two gadgets. As long as both are not muted, we keep hearing these echoes.
Madam, I think I have resolved the issue.
Because I can see the witness moving about.
Yes, ma'am.
May I find a place to sit down?
Okay, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
Thank you very much. Tell this honorable court your name.
I'm by name Menasara L. Emodishi.
What do you do for a living?
I work with NDLA.
For how long have you been working with this agency?
5 years above.
Good. Having been working with this agency for this year, what rank did you attend?
Come again?
What rank are you so far?
So far, I'm senior narcotic agent.
Good. As a senior narcotic agent, I believe you are a professional.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good look at the defendant starting trial before this honorable court. You can see him at the screen. I can't cite him too.
He is there with his counsel. Can you see him?
Thank you. You can see at Techno Spark 7. At the camera with the caption Techno Spark 7. Can you see the defendant there with his counsel?
No, sir.
Just can you see?
Yes, I'm seeing
a camera.
Yes,
Good.
I'm seeing.
Tell this honorable court whether you know the defendant.
Yes, I know him.
Good. Tell this honorable court what do you know about him in this case, in respect of this case.
On the 1st April, at about 20, 30 hours.
What day?
Like 1st April.
The date. 1st April.
1st April, 2023.
Yes.
At about 20, 30 hours. I was among the NDLA operative. Led by David Bagudu, Superintendent of Narcotic. I witnessed when Officer Joanna Tize Timie CNA arrested Mohamed Musa Bello, and he was brought to the office immediately along with the exhibits. In the office, the exhibit and the suspect were taken to exhibit officer.
Yes.
Who still tested and proved positive for pentazocine. Injection. Weight 0.988 kgs.
Registry of court, mute your microphone. Yes. Weighing
0.988 kgs.
Yes.
And all these were done in the presence of the suspect and I. and his statement was recorded under question. That is all I can say, my lord.
Yes, we are waiting for prosecuting counsel.
My lord, that's all for examination.
Defense counsel? Yeah, you need to unmute your microphone. I can't hear you. Defense counsel, yes.
Yes. Have a verifications to the witness for cross-examination, my lord, subject to the overriding convenience of the court.
Yes.
Yes, witness. Kindly tell this honorable court your full names again.
I'm by name Menasara L. Emodishi.
Mr. Menasara.
Yes.
Are you the officer assigned to investigate this matter?
No, I witnessed when Mohammed Musa was arrested.
You have answered the question. Sorry, you have answered the question. So I may be right to say that you are not in full fact of the matter, and as such, you cannot be a witness in this case.
I witnessed when Mohammed was arrested.
Defense counsel, what is happening?
Okay, my lord. Why did the defendant arrested?
Sorry, come again.
You said you witnessed when he was arrested. Where?
Yeah. He was arrested at NDLA checkpoint along Damaturu Potiskum Road.
When the defendant was arrested?
He was arrested on the 1st April 2023.
As a witness to his arrest, I may be right to say that you cannot tell this honorable court the reason of his arrest, since you are not the one who arrested him.
He was brought to our NDLA office where the suspected exhibit was field tested and proved positive for pentazocine injection.
The said exhibit you are referring to was found in the car in which the defendant was brought to Damaturu.
Yes, he was found in
the car. The said exhibit was found in the car.
No, in a brown bag whose belonged to Mohammed Musa Bello.
During your testimony, you said the said exhibit and the defendant was brought to your office. What I'm asking is that at the point of arrest, the said exhibit was only found in the car, not in possession of the defendant.
It was a brown bag in the car, which Mohammed identified that it is his bag.
Okay. How many people were they in that particular car when you stopped them to check the car?
I can't remember vividly.
So I'm obliged to say that it is not necessary the said exhibit belongs to the defendant, Mohammed Musa Bello, since he was
Mohammed
not only
Musa
the person in that particular
admitted
car.
owner of the bag and the owner of the exhibit found in the bag.
As a witness to his arrest, you just witnessed his arrest, you are not the one that arrested him. So I'm obliged to say that it is not necessary that particular exhibit belongs to him, since you are not the one who arrested him.
I witnessed when Mohammed admitted that the exhibit belonged to him.
In your office, I believe you thoroughly investigated this matter.
I'm not the investigation officer.
Even though you are not the investigation officer in this matter, but you are able to discover that this is one case that involves a person who is mentally sick. That's the defendant.
He claimed to be mentally disordered, but without any medical report presented.
So did you believe with him?
A minute, I'm trying to record, but.
Okay, sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Should I come again?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. So did you believe him or not? You said he claimed to be suffering from mental disorder. Did you believe him or not? As part of the officers that were involved in arresting him?
I did not believe. Why? Because I did not see any medical report on it.
But during the recording of his statement in your office, didn't you observe something of that nature from the defendant?
No, I did not.
I may be right to say that the defendant only admitted that that exhibit belongs to him because of that illness.
Come again?
The defendant admitted to the fact that that exhibit belongs to him because of that illness he's suffering from.
The ill is only claimed by him, in which I did not accept that he's ill.
Please come again.
I said the illness is claimed by him, in which I did not believe that he's ill.
My Lord, that's all for cross-examination.
Yes. Any examination? Prosecuting counsel? Prosecuting counsel? Prosecuting counsel? Prosecuting counsel? Is he online or can't seem?
He's online, but his video is offline.
What is wrong with him? Call him. Mr. Mainasara.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the prosecuting counsel? Okay, I can
My lord,
see him.
I'm sorry. Yes, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. I just faced some little difficulties.
Why will you switch off your video?
My lord, it wasn't.
Yes, we are waiting for you. You have wasted the time of court. Prosecuting counsel.
This is even a very important, particularly cross-examination of my own vital minorities due to the nature of my.
I can't hear you. What are you talking about? Is the prosecuting counsel there?
Maybe he's getting network issue.
Could be.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear the code now.
We are waiting for you. What is it? What do you want?
I
I
apologize. My lord, I apologize. You can continue, my lord.
What do you mean continue?
My apology My lord, I just faced some.
Are you going to re-examine the witness? Are you going? What do you want?
Okay, my lord, I not even noticed that the cross-examination has ended as a result of the network fluctuation.
Okay. So what do you want now that you are back online?
Yes, my lord, I only got the last question I got from the cross-examination is during the statement taking, you didn't observe the mental illness of the
He said he
defendant.
did not. He said he did not.
He
only asked. No, the last question then was, he asked whether he was right to say that the defendant admitted the exhibit belongs to him because of his illness. The witness stated that he claimed to be ill, which he did not believe, and that was all.
Okay, thank you very much, my lord. I have no examination, my lord.
Yes.
My apologies, my lord. I have no examination, my lord. I apply for the witness to be discharged from the witness box, my lord, as presented. My lord, that's my humble application.
Application granted. Thank you, officer. Yes.
Thank you very much, my lord. My lord, in the circumstances, my lord, I shall be asking for a date, my lord, to present the rest of my witnesses, my lord.
Court, Registrar of Court, give us a date.
Yes, my lord. 4th October.
Defense counsel.
It's convenient, my lord.
The defendant is present in court. This matter is adjourned to the 4th day of October, 2023. The defendant who is on bail is to continue to enjoy the bail granted him till the next adjourned date.
As the court pleases.
Thank you, my lord.
Call the next case.
With your permission, my lord, we take our leave.
The list, my lord.
That's the last case?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay, have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, my lord.